So what we're in right now is the top level. This is the sportiest version, the XSE. They started about $36,000 for this model right here. The interior is different from other Camrys in that it has this stitched leather, this metal kind of carbon fiber titanium finish inside. Paddle shifters with the 8-speed automatic transmission. You can get two engine choices with this car. You can get a 4-cylinder, 203 horsepower version, or you can get the V6, which is what we're in right now. It's 301 horsepower. Either case, they come with paddle shifters. You can also shift, with the lever down here. I can hit sport mode. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to turn off traction control so we can burn some rubber. I want to show you the acceleration. You guys ready?
Ready.
And we're going to pretend like somebody stepped off the curb in front of me. So you see how well the car handled? The avoidance maneuver went really well.
Wow.
That's just part of the Toyota safety sensing system. The handling is really good. But the XSE goes one step further. It has a retuned suspension, so different spring, shock, and sway bar settings, and 19-inch wheels. So that really helps the handling out. While we're waiting for this, guys, you see these images on the ground right here? I want to show this to you. It has a 360-degree camera. So it's stitching the cameras together, looking at the ground there. It's really neat. So if there's something on the ground you want to avoid, you push that button, it should show up. I discovered last night or this week that it shows up at night. So if it's completely dark out, the images still will appear, even though there's not very much ambient light.
Okay.
Now that image does stay on when you're going less than 8 miles an hour. And I use this kind of to help me out. When I first started doing this, I'd look at that camera. You can see how easy the steering wheel is to turn. That's electronic power steering, EPS. Let's go across this ice right here. I want to show you guys how slick it is. It's pretty slick. Okay, so now we're going to do our 330 degrees. You guys ready? Pull right off the ice there.
So what does the traction control do?
So traction control tries to limit wheel spin. So if you accelerate really hard and the tires just spin, you're probably not going to get going as easy as you would if you turn on traction control, and it limits the wheel spin till your road speed, more power is transmitted to the ground because you don't have the wheels spinning, and then you get down the road. It's sometimes not as fun because it doesn't make as much noise, but I've been trying this both ways. I leave traction control on and off, and it gets down the road a lot quicker with it enabled, so default setting.
Oh, okay.
So this car, like I said, it's about $38,000 as it sits right here.
What about the V4?
This 4-cylinder is about $2,000 less. And now you can get that 4-cylinder with this sport level trim, XSE trim level. The SE Camry, which starts at $25,000, would also come with a 203 horsepower 4-cylinder. There's also hybrid available too, which starts at $27,000, and that one actually has 208 horsepower. It's pretty fast. All right, guys.
Right.